Hello, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about should marijuana be legalized in Ecuador. A background from 2013 onwards, Ecuador's government discussed this topic, but after several weeks of dialogue, the decision about marijuana was not made. In the same year, the drug consumption table was being added, but later, in 2014, the Health Commission realized that there was a problem with accepting consumption's table. Drug trafficking route. Ecuador is a country that is located in a strategic geographical site because Ecuador is the main route for exporting drugs to other countries. It's estimated that 2,400 tons of drugs are being trafficked from Colombian drug traffickers who are passing through Ecuador each year. Drugs in Ecuador. Due to the amount of drugs which is transiting through Ecuador, there is great availability of narcotics in Ecuador, including marijuana. One of the main ways to get addicted to drugs is using marijuana because it has less side effects and you can easily control some bad effects on your body. Marijuana effects. 11 negative side effects of using marijuana. 1. Addiction. 2. Memory loss. 3. Social anxiety disorders. 4. Paranoia. 5. Heart damage. 6. Lung problems. 7. Low testosterone. 8. Appetite irregularities. 9. Risk of great potency. 10. Decrease in motor responses. 11. Poor decisions. Although marijuana hasn't got very dangerous effects on people who are consuming it or on people who are close to customers, this type of drug is widely used by drug traffickers to make people addicted to it, and they are not only selling marijuana, also lots of variety of drugs to people to get addicted from them. Should be marijuana be legalized in Ecuador? Accessing to any type of drugs is very easy in Ecuador, and if marijuana is going to be legalized, definitively many people will become drug addicts because this drug will be the entrance to the world of the drugs addiction. And this is certain cause of losing the control of the society. It's true that marijuana can be used as a medical treatment, and using it correctly can help so much people who have serious diseases. But right now in Ecuador, legalized marijuana will be a serious problem. The marijuana in Ecuador should be legalized for me. Thanks for your attention, and you can see in this picture a Bob Marley smoke marijuana.